Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Max the monkey from Twiddlefinger. So let's get started. To draw cute Max, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to come on this side and just shade everything in black. And then on this side, we're going to come to the center. Well, yeah, we're going to draw another circle in the center. So I'll start by right here. And I'm just going to follow my outside to create this circle inside. But before I finish this circle, I'm going to come right about here and draw as if there's another circle right here for a highlight. Kind of like this crest the moon. And then finish my circle. So I just want to make sure to leave this little highlight right here and then shade the rest in. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, we're going to come to the center in between the eyes and draw this nose. So I'm just going to draw a soft curve right in the center, round it off, and just come in here and connect in the center. There. And then we're going to draw a smile. So right underneath this eye, let's say about right here underneath this eye, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve coming right back to the nose. About right there, and then just cap this part off and here. Then we're going to go ahead and draw the outside shape. So let's see here, let's come to the top of this eye and we're going to come out, say about this much. Just give it some room, and same thing on this side, so about right here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're just going to draw a soft curve straight down, just a soft curve or a soft line, I guess. And same thing here. There. And so now that we have that in, let's come back and bring it up a tiny bit, and then right up here in this area, this corner, we're going to draw the ear. So it's kind of like this bean shape. So I'm going to come right about here and wobble and curve around to create this ear. Then we're going to do the same thing here, and so let's go ahead, just bring this up a tiny bit more, and once again just wobble just like the other side. I just kind of want to make sure I'm about the same level as I come up here, just so that I'm about the same on the other side. And then once again, same thing, just create this kidney shape ear. There. So now that we have that, we can go ahead and connect it. So about right here, just connect it with a soft curve all the way across. Okay, so now that we have that, we can come inside and we need to draw, come in between the eyes and say about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve right in the center, just a small little curve. And then we're going to go around the eye and come down. There. So same thing on the other side. Go around the eye and come down. There. And so then now that we have that, let's see here. We need to come back in this area, and I'm going to continue this curve, and we're going to bring it down towards the center. So we're drawing this patch, and then we're going to angle it, like hitting the nose maybe a little bit, and then about right here, we're just going to curve it up and finish it off. So it's like this side is scarred. And then for the eyes, you just draw these lines that come out of it. So maybe like 2 of them here, and then on this side, just lines that come out. I'm just trying to follow the original as best as possible. There. Okay, so we know there's something wrong with this eye, right? That's the goal. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see here. Let's bring this down a tiny bit more. I just need to drag it down. This side is going to come down more. And here, and the reason is because I just want to make sure this is at the same level as the other side. And we're just going to drag about right there, a curve all the way across. So we're starting the sweater. So right here is this turtleneck. We're going to pop it out. Just going to curve it out a little bit. And about right here, just go ahead and thicken this up. There. And you can come inside here and just start in the center. Maybe it's a little bit easier. And then this side, the curves will be going this way. And on the other side, you're going the other way. There, I should start in the center, be a little bit more even, but hopefully you get the idea. I just want to change the curve direction. Okay, so then from there, we're going to skip a little bit of space, come in. Let's say maybe this line, come down, skip a little bit of space, and just give myself a point. So same thing here. And that's kind of like where the armpit area is. So we're just going to draw this, once again, like a soft line. Just bring it down to say about right there, about the same level now. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with another soft curve all the way across. Then from there, let's come here and we're going to draw a curve all the way across. And back up, and then the legs. So let's find your center, which is about right here. And we're going to go to the left and to the right. So then from there, we're just going to work on this side. I'm just going to come straight down and about this wide. We're just going to draw a pair of pants and a leg right here, a little ankle. Come down, then curve, and then we're just going to simplify the shoe. So just draw 2 curves and connect. And right here, we're just going to draw a sole, and right here, the lace part. There. So just a very simplified way of drawing the shoes. So let's do the same thing on the other side, same thickness. And a little line, connect, and once again. There, so we have the shoes in. Then from there, let's draw the hands, which is just behind his back. So we're going to come right here and cut it off and angle. And come back in here. We're just going to go ahead and thicken everything up. There. So same thing on this side. And same thing here. Just thicken it up. There. And let's see if I'm forgetting anything. That is pretty much it, I believe, for this drawing of Max the monkey from Twiddlefinger. Oh, actually, you know what I did? I forgot his tail. So right in the center, let's just bring this tail down. And the row here, just kind of zigzag a little bit. And then, you know what? Since he has this nice empty shirt right here, I'm just going to add a heart. to make him my Draw So Cute Max the Monkey from Twiddlefinger. I really hope I helped you draw this monkey fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.